Do you have questions about Social Security? Most people do. As a matter of fact, hundreds of thousands of people visit the Social Security Administration website or call the offices every single day. Many of those people are hoping for financial advice. However, the Social Security Administration personnel cannot give you financial advice. My name is Matthew Atkins. I'm the Senior Financial Advisor with Clearbrook Investment Management and also a National Social Security Advisor certificate holder. If you live within driving distance of Bellingham, Washington, I'd like to invite you to my upcoming workshop, Social Security Answers, being held on March the 3rd or March the 12th at the Jalapenos Event Room in Barkley Village. It'll be from 6:30 to 8, and it'll be a fun, educational, informative time with no sales pitch. If you have questions about when and how to file, how to maximize your Social Security benefits, what about spousal benefits or survivor benefits? Or how about how taxes might impact your Social Security if you continue to work full or part-time after starting your benefits? Then you need to come to this workshop. Again, that's March the 3rd or March the 12th. Same content being delivered in both settings. It's going to be a fun time. We're going to offer you some appetizers, some beverages, and you'll get to learn a lot about Social Security from a financial advisor. We hope to see you there on either March the 3rd or March the 12th at the Jalapenos Event Room in Barkley Village in Bellingham. Have a great day.